Now, once it was in that trust, the beneficial owner of that trust property was the life tenant of that interest in possession trust. So the trust property would be in the death estate of the life tenant when they died. If it was a discretionary trust, on the other hand, there were a variety of charges for IHT. It was a no one's estate, but there would be an entry charge because when the trust property went into the trust, it was a chargeable lifetime transfer, not a pet. Then we had exit charges if capital went out of the trust, and also 10-yearly periodic anniversary charges every 10 years. And the exit charges and the anniversary charges were a maximum of 6%. So when we're calculating that exit charge, we need to establish how long the trust property's been in that trust for, not necessarily the whole period of time from the commencement of the trust to the exit. Likewise, when we're doing a 10-yearly charge, we're not going to charge for the whole 10 years. We're going to have a look to see how long that trust has been in the relevant property regime for. Now, what we do when we are working out an exit charge or when we're working out a 10-yearly charge is we will always do two parts of our calculation. The first part of our calculation is working out the amount that will be taxed as far as our percentage is concerned. The second part of the calculation is calculating our percentage. So the date, what date do we use? Well, remember we talked about this before when we were talking about a qualifying interest in possession converting to a relevant property. The date we use for our 10-yearly charge is always the date that the original trust was settled, not the date that it goes into the relevant property regime. So if you did have a qualifying interest in possession trust that was created when somebody passed away, it would be the date they passed away 10 years from that point, not the date that the life tenant passed away and it went into the relevant property regime. So we just have to make sure we get the dates right as well.